In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter opening balance in Zoho Books. We'll walk through a simple example using a customer, but the same idea applies whenever you're setting up your books and need to bring in outstanding balances from a previous system or from before you started using Zoho Books. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account and that you already have your customers created. You'll also want to have your opening balance details handy, such as how much each customer owes as of your chosen start date. From your Zoho Books dashboard, look over to the left-hand side menu and locate the Sales section. Click on Sales. This is where Zoho Books groups everything related to money coming into your business, like invoices, customers, and payments received. We're going into this section because the opening balances we're entering are amounts your customers owe you. Once the Sales section opens, click on Customers. This will bring up a list of all the customers you've added to Zoho Books. If you have a long list, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the customer you want to work with. Just type in part of their name or code until you see the right one appear. Next, select a customer from the list by clicking on their name. This will open their customer details page, where you can see their contact information, transaction history, and current balance. This is the central place for managing everything related to that specific customer. On the customer details page, look for an option that says Enter Opening Balance. Depending on your screen size, this might appear as a button or a link. Click on Enter Opening Balance. A form or small window will appear, allowing you to specify the amount that this customer already owes you as of your chosen opening balance date. Carefully type in the correct opening balance amount. This should match your previous records or closing balances from your old system. Double check the currency and the date because these details affect how your reports and statements will look. If you're unsure about the exact amount, it's a good idea to verify with your accountant or compare against your last financial statement. Once you've confirmed that everything is accurate, click on Save. Zoho Books will now record this opening balance for the selected customer, and you'll see their outstanding amount reflected in their account summary and in your receivables reports. You can repeat this same process for each customer that has an outstanding balance when you start using Zoho Books. Taking the time to enter these correctly ensures that your reports, customer